this is Dr. Adam Coster at Advanced Rev Medical, and today I just want to go over a common question I get a lot of times when patients come in. They'll ask, as we're going through the spinal manipulation or the adjustment, what exactly we're doing when we lift this mechanism up and you hear this little drop right there. So what that actually does is it just assists us and the patient in having a more effective adjustment. So right here, as I'm going to demo, I'm going to lift this up and I'm going to actually just drop lightly here. So right here, his pelvis was actually high on the right side. So if you notice, I just went and did a little light drop in this direction to just help assist that to make it more comfortable and more effective for the doctor. So if you guys have any questions, I know we go through it sometimes really quickly, but we try to be as effective as we can. But if you guys ever have questions, please ask us, and below this video there will be a comment section. Please give us some comments and we'll be glad to help in any way we can. So I hope you have a lovely weekend and we'll see you guys soon. Thank you.